Yo, what is up? How's everybody doing? Okay, so it's Thursday. I thought I'd go over how this week is going so far. Um, so far it's been going great. I've had four losing trades, and one huge winning trade that wiped out all the losses and put me in profit. So this is my week so far. I have had four losing trades and one winning trade, and I'm currently up 262 euros. Keep in mind it's all demo account still, and yeah, I thought I'd go over these for if I've learned a few lessons that I want to avoid in the future. So instead of writing them down in the journal somewhere or in my notebook, I thought I would start making videos each week and going over the trades, and talking about it, and therefore reassuring the things that I learned, and so that they would stay in my head. If that's not the right way to say it, but yeah, you get the point. So let's start with the GBP/USD. That's actually a sell I took last week. Can I make this smaller? So GBP/USD, and that's this trade here. So initially what I was seeing was this, right? So price was in a decent enough level, extreme high here, but there's multiple touches of resistance over here. And when I saw this nice tweezer with a big bearish engulfing candle, I thought that could be a good sell opportunity. So I placed the sell, and it hit my stop. So that didn't work out. Not much to learn here, because if I would see this trade, I would take it again. Just gotta keep in mind that not all trades work out. So I would probably take this trade again if I would see it in another scenario or in another pair somewhere. Euro CHF. That was this trade here. Sorry. That was this trade here. Initially, this is what I was seeing, right? So initially I thought that it was a break and retest, a good opportunity for a break and retest sell. Big ass range here, right? And the break, and it came for a retest. But then I saw a tweezer here as well with a bearish engulfing candle, so I thought that it could go down, which it did initially, and it made another wick here. But man, I wasn't actually too sure about this trade, because I'm still testing out the theory, not the theory, but the strategy to use the tweezers in a breakout. I mean, like in a break and retest, because I have two strategies, right? A break and retest from Nick Sean, and the tweezer bottom up from Justin. And put them both together, it could be something, right? Because I've seen a lot of, actually, let me show you a scenario where it worked out perfectly. This one over here, I marked it up because if I had seen this, I would have definitely taken this trade. Because look at this, we're in a downtrend, right? and there's a significant key level over here, right? You all agree? Support, 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 support. Now broke. Came back for retest. And here, nice looking tweezer top with a bearish engulfing. And man, that shot down like 115 pips. I would have probably I don't even know if I would have held it that long. I would have probably gotten out here, which would have been 1 to 2 risk rewards lower. But yeah, recently, during this week actually, the 2 trades, I'm gonna show you the one huge winner. I actually held it pretty long. Luckily it dropped like straight down, but still, I don't know if I would have, what's going on? I don't know if I would have held it that long, let alone here. But yeah, this is a trade I would have taken had I seen this, because this is a purely textbook tweezer type with a bearish engulfing for me. And another one that I missed last week was this one. This one here. It's not the most recent extreme level, but it's a level nonetheless, right? And the beautiful tweezer with the bearish engulfing, I would have held it over here somewhere. That would have worked out perfectly, but I missed this one. But yeah, I wanted to cover this because this one occurred during break and retest, so the same kind of thing I was trying to catch here. It actually went down 2 times, but then it came back up and it hit my stop loss. So it's all good. No, not all trades work out. But I thought about closing it multiple times, and I think a lesson to learn from this is that if price tries 2 times already to go down and fails, you're better off closing that trade in break even than holding it, because it's gonna give you a headache nonetheless. It has already tried 2 times and it failed, and you know, maybe if you hold it, you know, some price will do something like this, like it did over here, boom, 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 boom. But think of the headache that it's gonna give you, and then drop. Then you're gonna be glad that you held it, but at that point that's like 50-50. It can also do like this, that it actually that it did over here, boom, 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 and then hit your stop. So at this point that's like 50-50 in my opinion, in my short experience. So silver is a trade that the moment I took the trade, I know I shouldn't have taken it, because yeah, because I took it too early. Initially this is what I saw, and it's not actually at a key zone of resistance. Yeah, there is kind of resistance here, but yeah, not really, right? Because yeah, you could argue that this is a level here, but it actually worked out. But I don't know. The only explanation I got for you is why I didn't feel good about this trade is that it's not a key level. I would have wanted to held it over here, be patient enough to wait for a setup up top. But yeah, this would have been my take profit. The trade would have smashed take profit had I seen this later tweezer here. So yeah, I'm actually sitting in my hallway floor if you're thinking about where I am. So yeah, so I think to learn from this trade is you're better off, trading the extreme levels than, the intermediate chart levels. Now, after learning this lesson, I don't even know if I would have taken this tweezer top over here because it's not the key level I'm looking at. I would have wanted it to trade to position itself over here somewhere. But yeah, time will tell. I get more experience every day, right? So, but yeah, tweezer top, bearish engulfing, boom, dropped. Would have smashed my take profit, but it didn't. It's all good. It's all good in the sense that there's always gonna be another trade. Like you see here, I'm gonna get to that cat Japanese yen trade, which was beautiful. GBP NZD. So GBP NZD. I know my webcam is like really dark, but I have no way of turning it lighter, so the light is at max. I don't have a professional recording studio. I'm recording this at my hallway floor. So yeah, but it's fun. GBP, let's keep going. GBP NZD. So not a major lesson to learn here as well. I would probably take this trade again. It's not the cleanest to the top, but I don't know. I actually took this trade on my phone. Looking at this on my phone, it actually was, I don't know, more clear to me. But yeah, price was in profit for a while, and then shot up, and it would be in huge profit right now. So out of the 4 losing trades, I got the direction right in 1, 2. What was the third one? GBP AUD. Okay, I lost the GBP AUD. I mean, I didn't get the direction right. GBP NZD, I got the direction right. Silver, I got the direction right, and Euro CHF. Yeah, I didn't get the direction right. So 2 out of 4 trades would be in profit right now if I had my stops bigger or whatever. I'm actually thinking for next video I'm gonna try to find some royalty free music because it would be more fun, I think. So yeah, but let's get to the big winner trade. This one right here, CAT JPY. This was beautiful, straight down. Look, there's not even one, there's not a single candle that closed in blue. Okay, the small one here, but just straight down. I actually messed up this trade a little bit because initially my take profit was, I think, over here somewhere. and I was driving home last night. This trade closed. I closed this trade last night. This trade was here at 23, 20 something. This trade was here, and I thought about raising my take profit a bit, so that the value or the money the take profit would have been 360 euros. I got home, I saw it, and it would have hit my take profit, because I wanted to get out of this trade before midnight. I think I have to double check, but I think the Asian session starts at 12 on my time. And that's UTC +2. And I wanted to get out of the trade before midnight because I knew the spreads get like massively big and it starts sweeping around, and it actually did, because let's see, because it gapped on 1 hour. See here, price. I would have wanted to get out the trade here, but my take profit was over here somewhere. It started whipping around, and I closed my trade over here somewhere. It would have hit my original take profit though. So, but yeah, still. So that's 330 euros. The take profit would have been 360 euros. But imagine if this was a 100k account from FTMO, that would have been 3,000 euros on one trade. That's crazy. That's insane. Oh, the reason why I got into this trade is here. See, I got an indicator now. That's a free indicator from Justin that plots the support resistance line. I don't need it, but it's a good confirmation. But see here, right? Zone of resistance. Beautiful tweezer top with a beautiful bearish engulfing candle. Went into profit, came back for a bit, but then straight down. And the trades I'm in right now are Euro GBP. Let me move my face. This is the reason why I got in. So key level, right here somewhere. Bearish tweezer bottom with a bullish engulfing candle. I don't know. I just when I look at the charts, I just see it already, because I don't know. It's so identifiable. This pattern over here. So beautiful tweezer bottom with a bullish engulfing, and it's been consolidating. I actually thought about closing it, but right now it looks like it's starting to get into profit. Well, let's see how this goes. And I'm still in this trade, AUD USD. Price is in a downwards channel, but there's a key zone over here, and it touched the trend line, kind of, or whatever the line this is, and made a beautiful tweezer bottom with a bullish engulfing. So let's see how this trade goes. My original take profit was over here, but I don't know. There's this trend line over here that's coming down, and it's kind of forming a deformed head and shoulders, if you see it or not. See what this pattern was. Yeah, it's not anymore. Forget I said about it. Forget I said it, because the head and shoulders would have been over here like this. So yeah, it's already not valid. Ignore this. It has a chance to make inverse head and shoulders, right here, but I don't know, we'll see. I'll keep on holding it. I'll probably close out these trades tomorrow before market close, because I want to simulate. I want to simulate what's it like trading from with FTMO, because with FTMO you have to close your trades before market close on Friday. During the verification and I mean during the challenge you can keep your trades open, but when you get funded you have to close your trades before the weekend. So I'm gonna try to simulate that kind of trading, because that's the way I'm gonna trade after I get funded anyway, so it's good to practice that. And so far it's my second week being profitable with the tweezer strategy. I started this account with 10,000. I lost like what's it now? It's at 8,000. It's a lot easier to lose money than to make it back, I gotta tell you, believe me. So yeah, after I get this back to 10,000, hopefully then I'll be able to take the FTMO challenge, because that would be rad. That would be cool. But yeah, I'm at 22 minutes already. I'm gonna close out this video. I'll probably do a video at the end of the week, during the weekend probably, where I'll make a weekly outlook kind of thing, and a recap of how these two trades went, and if I see any new ones tomorrow maybe. And because I've drawn a lot of stuff on my charts that have played out pretty accurately. Yeah, this is a trade I wanted to take. I was this close to taking this trade. I had already, entered the lot sizes, but I was in a GBP AUD sell, so it would have been weird to sell AUD JPY at the same time, because those are cross pairs. So if AUD JPY is going down, GBP AUD should logically go up, because one of those currencies gets stronger. I can't explain it right, but hopefully you know what I mean. Anyway, I'll get it sorted out and I'll explain it in another video. Not to you guys, you probably are smarter than me, but I just want to get it clear for myself. And if I can say it clearly in a video, then obviously I've what's the word I'm looking for? I understand that. So yeah, where was I? Yeah, this trade that I wanted to take. Where's that thing I marked up? This one right here. I was looking at this. It was an uptrend channel. Man, this is a trade I want. I was in this trade actually. I closed it over here before market close on Friday. Man, oh man, oh man, when I missed like 300 pips. Nice. This is a trade I took. I think, yeah, I took this trade. But yeah, I saw it. Price was in a channel. So this line level over here, and this is a bubble I marked up for a potential reversal. Look look at what price did, like went down. But when I saw this, I was in a GBP NZD sell, this sell right here. So I was thinking to myself, I'm not gonna get into another NZD pair because I'm already in GBP NZD. So if Euro NZD is dropping, logically GBP NZD should be dropping as well, which it's doing right now. But I got in a bit early, or I should have closed out this trade and got into this trade anyway. There wasn't a clear sell signal here. The wicks on this, yeah, technically there's a tweezer, a variation of a tweezer top with a bearish engulfing, but as I said, I was already in GBP NZD, so I didn't want to enter another NZD pair. Would have worked out nice. This would have been my take profit, probably, because there's a trend line over here, horizontal level over here. Man. But it's all good because opportunities like this, come in every week. So once you master the skill of trading, range-based price action, you're good. Because I don't know, I read it somewhere that the forex market usually ranges like 80% of the times, and in 20% of the times it's in trends. So if you're a trend trader, like the break and retest strategy you used to trend before, you don't get that many trades, in my opinion, because right now I'm looking at the Telegram. Momo is a trend trader. Mission FX is a trend trader. This week has been slow for them, but I missed out on so many good trades that I don't know. There's probably a divergence there as well. Let me check OPV. Good confirmation now. What do we see here? Okay, this is a higher high. Well, there is. It's a weak one, but still a divergence. So here. So from here to here, that's a higher high. From here to here, that's a lower high. So that's what was it? I forgot the names, but I do remember this. Let me think, divergence. Images. There's a good image on it here. So regular bearish divergence. Higher high, lower high, boom, drops. So yeah, good confirmation. There's a divergence here. There's a horizontal level here. There's a tweezer top right here. There's a top of a channel here. So yeah, I'm actually thinking now, why the heck didn't I take this trade? There's like multiple confluences, multiple confirmations. It's like, one, it's at a key zone, key resistance. It's not a key, but it's at the level of resistance, right? It's on the top of the channel. It has divergence. It has tweezers at the top, and it has a bearish engulfing candle. So, man, I don't know. There's like, okay, let's count. The divergence was 1. Top of the channel was 2. Tweezer top and bearish engulfing, that's 3, and then there's a resistance zone, that's like 4 or 5 confirmations if you include the bearish engulfing candle. So man, I don't know why I didn't take this trade, honestly. That's a lesson right here. Take the most obvious trades, kind of. But there's a quote I saw that if the trade is too obvious, it's a trap. I don't know. You be the judge. Yeah, I'm gonna wrap it up because it's already half an hour. So I'm probably gonna do a video in the weekend. Make a weekly outlook, kind of recap of the weeks, and make a weekly outlook plus a recap of the week. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Cheers, guys.